Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. With the arrival of the cold, rainy season, we end up leaving our windows and doors closed more often. Closed environments, when paired with humidity, are the perfect recipe for mold. Caused by microscopic fungi that reproduce through live particles, mold floats in the air of our homes. Constant exposure to these agents is not only bad for your furniture, but for your health as well. People who suffer from sinus infections, bronchitis, and asthma have the most problems with this exposure. As we inhale the fungi, they penetrate our body and find favorable conditions to cause allergic reactions. In today's video, we're going to teach you 2 totally natural ways to get rid of mold. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is traditionally used in several different natural remedies due to its antifungal and antiseptic properties. It's great at treating athlete's foot and acne. Furthermore, tea tree oil is one of the best ways to fight the fungi that cause mold. In order to get rid of the mold in your home, mix a spoonful of tea tree oil with a cup of water and put the mixture in a spray bottle and spray the most affected areas. Let the liquid sit for a while, then clean it off with a rag. White vinegar. Several studies have shown that white vinegar is very efficient at eliminating any pathogens found in our home, including the fungi that cause mold. In fact, it can eliminate up to 82% of all species of mold. Since tea tree oil can be a little expensive, vinegar is an excellent alternative. Try pouring some pure white vinegar in a spray bottle and applying it to the affected area. Let the vinegar sit for at least an hour before cleaning it off. If the vinegar smell is too strong, place a bowl full of lemon juice near the area to eliminate the odor. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.